Bear Creek Lake Park, Colorado's hidden outdoor oasis. Nestled just a short drive from Denver, Colorado, Bear Creek Lake Park is a testament to the state's natural beauty and recreational opportunities. This 2,624-acre gem is often likened in size and activities to a state park, offering visitors diverse outdoor experiences. From hiking and picnicking to camping, fishing, and boating, Bear Creek Lake Park has something for everyone, making it a cherished destination for locals and tourists alike. Hiking trails for all levels. One of the standout features of Bear Creek Lake Park is its extensive network of hiking trails. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a stroll, the park has options for all skill levels. The rugged terrain provides a thrilling challenge for adventure seekers, while the flatter paths along the lake offer a more relaxed atmosphere for families and nature enthusiasts. Exploring these trails allows visitors to immerse themselves in Colorado's breathtaking landscape, with opportunities to spot native wildlife and take panoramic views of the Rocky Mountains. Picnicking and family fun. Bear Creek Lake Park boasts numerous picnic areas equipped with tables and grills for those seeking a peaceful afternoon under the sun. Whether you're planning a family reunion, a birthday celebration, or a romantic picnic for two, these scenic spots are the perfect setting. Children can also enjoy the park's playgrounds and open spaces, making it an ideal destination for families looking to spend quality time together outdoors. Camping under the stars. The adventure doesn't have to end when the sun goes down. Bear Creek Lake Park offers a range of camping options, from tent sites to RV hookups. Camping here provides a unique opportunity to experience the park's serenity at night, surrounded by the sounds of nature. Roasting marshmallows over a campfire and gazing at the starry Colorado sky is an experience that's hard to beat. Fishing and water recreation. The park's centerpiece, Bear Creek Lake, is a paradise for water enthusiasts. Fishing enthusiasts can cast their lines in search of bass, trout, and catfish, while boaters can explore the 110-acre lake with a marina and boat rentals. Paddleboarding and kayaking are popular activities, allowing visitors to glide across the lake's pristine waters peacefully. Year-round enjoyment. Bear Creek Lake Park is a year-round destination. When the lake freezes over in the winter, it becomes a haven for ice skating and fishing. The quiet, snow-covered landscape offers different beauty, making it a favorite spot for photographers and winter sports enthusiasts. Preserving natural beauty. Bear Creek Lake Park is more than just a recreational area, it represents Colorado's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. The park's management emphasizes conservation and sustainability, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy its wonders. Bear Creek Lake Park is a 2,624-acre treasure trove of outdoor experiences that rivals even the offerings of a state park. Its diverse activities, stunning scenery, and commitment to conservation make it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a taste of Colorado's natural splendor. Whether you're an avid hiker, a water lover, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Bear Creek Lake Park welcomes you to discover the magic of the great outdoors right on Denver's doorstep.